Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. You guys. Hey guys, this is what my hair looked like before. This was only about 5 days old, but I needed to do another video and I didn't want my hair to be looking frizzy, like the edges looking frizzy. So I just refreshed my hair and I did this kind of a high bun and I did one swoop-de-doop in the front. You guys, I don't even know what this little roll is called. I guess I'll call it a cinnamon roll or something, like just a roll, because it's not a flat twist, but it's a roll. So if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. So like I said before, this style that I'm taking out of my hair was a week old. About 5 days old, almost a week. If you guys don't know, I am suffering from postpartum shedding and my hair did thin out a lot. So I'm really just trying to strengthen my edges, regrow my edges, and make sure that my hair stays hydrated. So my wash day routine is every Saturday or Sunday, just to let you guys know. But this is like a Friday or a Thursday and I needed to make another video. So I was just like, what can I do with my hair? How can I make this look more hydrated and not so frizzy around the edges? So I decided to take out that one the roll. I'm gonna call it, do you guys remember those old school French rolls, like back in the day? Like Whitney Houston used to wear that old school French roll all the time. Like that's literally what I do to the front of my head, because I don't want to put a flat twist in my hair. I guess I should try to flat twist my hair, but I've literally just been rolling it because it's been so fast, so convenient. And when I get to the part of me rolling the front of my hair on itself, that's literally what I'm doing. It's like, I can't even explain it. I'm just grabbing hair as if I'm doing a flat twist or a braid, but I'm just grabbing hair and just rolling it underneath itself. So I feel like that protects my edges, and I feel like that conceals my flyaway edges, because my edges are suffering from postpartum shedding, like I said before. So I just put this roll in the front of my hair so that my edges is protected and I'm not trying to brush or comb my edges. When I'm styling my hair, I can be more gentle with this part of my hair. So just a tip for my ladies out there that is suffering from thinning edges. It doesn't even have to be postpartum edges. Just put a style in your hair that can protect your edges. And this is the style that I've been choosing to do. When I do my hairstyles, they're almost kind of like a wash and go for me, because I am setting my hair wet. So I will wash, shampoo, and condition my hair, and then I will put my styling cream in my hair and then style my hair with it wet, and then immediately put my head rag on. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now. But I'm just refreshing my hair. I did make my gel. I will leave that video down below, but I did put two spoons of honey into this gel. If you guys want me to make an up-to-date video of me making my hair gel with honey in it, then leave comments down below, you guys. If you're getting value out of this video, please give me a thumbs up or hit subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Yeah, I'm getting real good at that, aren't I? But you guys, I just took my twist out. I took the roll out of the front of my head, and now I am finger detangling, and now I'm trying to work that water into my hair. My hair needed to be rehydrated. It wasn't dry, but before I went in trying to get my hair into a bun, I did want to rehydrate my hair and not just snatch my hair from a low bun to a high bun. Well, it was kind of like a ponytail, but I didn't want to do that with dry hair. So I'm literally just wetting my hair, and applying that homemade gel. You guys, adding that honey in there did something to that gel. Like, it was just completely hydrating. It was more hydrating. Like, the gel is already hydrating. And if you're thinking about, oh my God, did it leave your hair crunchy? This is not a crunchy gel. Is almost kind of like using a marshmallow root or some type of light gel. but it's not crunchy at all. It's more hydrating than anything, and it just makes every part of your hair shiny and has so many more benefits than store-bought gels do. So once again, if you guys want me to make a video on how I make this gel with honey in it, then just leave comments down below. You guys just probably heard Maggie. It's okay though. She's still here. If y'all don't hear Maggie, you guys haven't heard Maggie in a long time, but if you're always hearing Justin. But yeah, guys, I am just gonna finger detangle my hair. I'm gonna stop talking because I've been talking for a while. I'm gonna make my hair up into a high bun. I am gonna use a very stretched out hair tie. I'm gonna make sure that my hair is loose. You guys are gonna see me use a brush, but I'm not sticking the bristles through my hair. I'm just rubbing the side of the brush up on my hair to just kind of smooth out my hair. And then I had to go to the bathroom to try to fix my bun, but my hair is so heavy, especially when I get like a lot of water or product in my hair. My bun gets heavy, so my bun kind of looked linked on the final result. But you guys, yeah, like I said, I'm gonna stop talking and just let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I did sleep with my hair overnight, and then you'll see what my hair looked like the next morning. So thank you guys so much for watching.